guys, I'm Ankita and today I'm going to be recreating a makeup look that is inspired by the Lakme Sheer drama with Tarun Tahilani Lux Spread at the Lakme Fashion Week. The showstopper was actress Shobhita Dullipala, who wore a modern age corset style concept sari. Along with that, she had an unmissable makeup look that I so wanted to recreate. But before I begin, go ahead and subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel and ring the bell icon for further notifications. So the makeup look Shobhita was seen wearing was a bold red lip, bronze eyes, feathered brows and sharp contouring. Her wet hairstyle looked glamorous and perfectly complemented her look. So stick around as I take you through the step-by-step decode of this look. The first thing that I'm going to apply is a primer. I am using the Lakme Glow Primer. This lightweight sheer textured illuminating primer is infused with luminescent pearls that give your skin an instant radiant glow. It primes the face and helps create a perfect canvas for your face makeup and locks it in for a long period of time. Now let's move on to base makeup. Today I'm going to ditch the conventional foundation and use this newly launched Lakme 9to5cc Mousse. This mousse is lightweight, blurs our pores and also evens out the skin tone because it has a hint of foundation infused in it. Not just that, it also cares for your skin by nourishing and moisturizing thanks to the vitamin E present in it. It will also brighten your skin tone for a fresh look all day long. After that, time to conceal. I am only going to spot conceal the areas that need added coverage because I want the base to be second skin-like. Moving on to the eyes. So as a rule, before creating any eye look, let's go ahead and prep your eyelid. For this bronze eye look, I am going to use the Lakme Absolute Spotlight Eyeshadow Palette in the shade Smoking Glam. Using a fluffy blending brush, I'll dip it into this light warm color shade and apply it as a transition shade above the crease area. Then using a flat shader brush, I'm going to dip into this bronze shade and apply it all over my eyelids. Now for the lash line, I'm going to use this newly launched shimmer eyeshadow stick. It's the Lakme Absolute Explore eyeshadow stick in the shade Ombre. Run it along the lash line. This eyeshadow stick glides on so effortlessly and has a smooth luxe texture, plus it's so convenient to use. Then smudge out the eyeshadow stick with a smudger brush. Then repeat the same step on the lower lash line as well. Finally, finish the eye look using the Lakme Iconic Volume Mascara in the shade Black. This lightweight mascara adds volume to the lashes without appearing clumped. Just wiggle and swipe on the upper and lower lashes and you will see your lashes will flutter like never before. To achieve Shobhita's feathery eyebrows, start by brushing out the brows using the Lakme Absolute Micro Brow Perfector, which has a built-in spoolie. Then I'm going to start by filling in my brows using the pencil end of the brush. Now for that feathery effect, use a light hand pressure and make thin hair-like strokes. Once the brow is properly filled in, take the spoolie and gently brush upward. This will also help pick up any excess product and give your brows a nice yet defined natural appearance. Shobita's face looked really sculpted, so to achieve that, I'm going to use an irresistible trio for defining the facial features. It's the Lakme Absolute Facelift Palette in the shade Sunkissed Blue. This unique, lightweight, easy to blend formula consists of a nourishing bronzer, which I will apply on the hollows of the cheeks. It also has a buildable blush that I'll be applying over the cheekbones all the way to the sides of the temple. And it also has a cushion soft highlighter which I'll be applying on the highest points of my face, for instance, the cheekbones, under the brow bone, bridge of the nose, and Cupid's bow. And lastly, for the lips, Shobita is seen wearing a bold red lipstick which literally did steal the show and added that much needed drama to her makeup look. So today, I'm going to be using the newly launched Lakme Absolute Sheer Lip Mousse. They are available in 12 unique shades ranging from eye-catching reds, gorgeous pinks to the most desirable nude tones. But today, I will be using the Scarlet Siren shade. This lip mousse has an airy formula and that is incredibly lightweight and soft. It has a velvety texture that simply glides onto the lips in just one stroke. Now, even though it is matte, it doesn't crack or settle into the fine lines of the lips. It sits comfortably on the lips. Plus, the cocoa butter keeps the lips nourished and moisturized without drying them out. So guys, I hope you like this recreation of Lakme Sheer Drama with Tarun Tahilani Luxe Spread. If you want to purchase any of these newly launched products, check the description box below for purchasing. Time for me to go, but before I leave, don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel. Also, ring the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos. Bye!